In this video I will do an unboxing of the Jotron EPIRB, the Tron 60 AIS, the EPIRB with a manual bracket. So let's see what's in the box. I bought this EPIRB from the Norwegian company Seatronic, and well, let's see, here it is, documentations and the product itself. Nothing more in the box. So let's remove these funny things, and here it is. That's the unboxing of the EPIRB. And you can see this black part here, that is the mounting, what do you call it? The mounting bracket, of course. You fix this to the wall or the something in the boat. And then when you need to use the EPIRB, you just grab it, take it off from the bracket, then you pull the trigger here, push the button, then it's activated. I will not do it now. And you bring it to the life raft. That's how you use it. So this is the EPIRB with the bracket, and let's see what documents we get. I bought this, as I told you, from Seatronic in Norway, and they have done the programming. So here I get the programming report. You should always buy an EPIRB from a dealer who can program it. And here it is, the programming report with the radio call sign number, the MMSI number, the vessel name, and so on. That is specific for this one, so the search and rescue people know who is asking for help. Then you have the user manual, written in English, and it looks quite good. I haven't read it yet, but I will do. This is a very important device, and I will read the instructions. Here we also have a test report from Jotron. And we have a very quick guide stating just what I showed you. Take it out, pull the trigger, bring it to the life raft. And then some commercials from Jotron Maritime Communication Devices. That's it. I'll put it back. Let's see. Then it's back. And then I bring it to the boat. Well, I'm in Norway now. This is made in Norway. I bought it in Norway. And the boat is in the Mediterranean. So I need to bring this EPIRB from Norway on the plane to the boat in the Med. And then you need a lot of documentation. This and even more. Lots of more documents to bring this on the plane and get it to the Med. That is a topic for the next video. Bye!